Good afternoon, this is Juliano from Juliano's Garage Auto Sales. I specialize in Chevy and GMC 99207 Classic, the GMT 800 platform. And I'm out here in Ocoee, Florida, Central Florida. And today I have a 2005 GMC Sierra SLT Limited. It's a special order truck, special edition. I'm gonna do my walk around on it, but real quick, this one here, it's a two-wheel drive. It looks like it's a four-wheel drive, but it's a two-wheel drive. It's got the 5.3, very nice motor. Transmission is really good. I put some money in this truck, but let me tell you what makes this truck a limited. It comes from factory with those wheels, 20-inch wheels, chrome Bilstein shocks. I don't know if you can see here, and torsion bars instead of coils, because the two-wheel drive, they usually come with coils in the front suspension. What else makes this truck a limited? That's about it. So let me do my quick walk around. It's a silver color, it's a beautiful color. This truck here's got a, if I'm not mistaken, it's a MagnaFlow. Sounds really good. As always, been running for about 15 minutes. This truck has no rust. It's got some what I call surface oxidation, which is pretty much normal in Florida. This one here, it's got some minor scratches, not even deep. I didn't buff this truck or anything like that. I just we just washed and waxed it. Some minor scratch here, a small little ding here. Very straight truck. One small scratch here with a minor ding, like an indent. The body of the truck is very straight. Let me show you the paint shines really good. It's got Chevy Silverado tail lights, which I like though. Makes the truck look even better. This truck here, being an SLT, it's got the heated seats, power seats, both dual power seats. But let me go back inside later. So up here we have the hood. It's starting to crack a little bit. The paint, the clear coat is starting to crack a little bit. It's not horrible. I could have painted the truck, but I didn't want to put too much money in it, and I'll tell you why. This truck here, it came to me. He had a rear main seal leak and crankshaft front seal leak. So we did all that job, so it cost me like $1,500 to do that. That's the money that you'll be saving by buying this truck. You can buy a cheaper truck somewhere, but you're gonna have to do this job anyway, all this work, but yeah, new lights, very nice chrome bumper. I put close to 100 miles on this truck myself, driving back and forth to the shop and running my errands like I always do. It's got a small little dent here. It's not, I don't know if it's a dent, something that got caught here or something. It's not, I just saw it now. minor chips here. This side is as straight as the other side. No rust on this truck. No body rust at all. See just the minor oxidation. And of course, zero oil leaks. This one here came with heated seats. They both work, both sides. Memory seats. We got power folding mirrors. Both sides work. One more thing in this truck that I usually don't show on my trucks, actually I don't get trucks like that usually, it's this one here has got a little crack on the dash. It's covered with the dash dash mat. It's a little crack here, and the steering wheel, it's a little worn here, and it's got a steering wheel cover. And that's about it. The interior, it looks really good. The leather, this is all original leather. This part has been redone. The seats work. Console is clean. It's got an aftermarket radio here. And of course, it's 102 in Florida now. Central Florida. Cold AC. Carpets are clean. Back seat is clean too. I redid the headliner on this truck. Was really bad here, you know. So in that case, I go ahead and I redo it. Very nice back seat. So this is a truck, you know, a daily driver truck with, you know, low miles, 155,000 miles. It's not considered high on my book. And straight body, you know, everything works. Cold AC, 5.3 special edition. The seat is all original, untouched, with minimal to no wear on it. I got the Carfax. This is a 3-owner truck, no accidents. It's a Florida truck. Oh, Florida. I have the window sticker for it. Here you, if you want to pause the video and check what this truck has. This truck was what, $35,800. I'd say $36,000, brand new. Got the owner's manual, and that's 2005 money. It's probably what, $60,000 nowadays, I think. Pretty cool truck. If you're interested in this truck, and of course I forgot to tell you, we got the Bose. If you're interested in this truck or any of my other trucks, please go to julianosgarage.com. My Instagram is at Juliano's Garage USA. Again, my website is julianosgarage.com. My Instagram is Juliano's Garage USA. This truck runs and drives really good. Like I said, I did some upgrades on this truck. Clean, nice truck. The tires are okay. They're not the best. The truck runs perfect. It drives good. Minor imperfections on the truck, like I said, you know, but it's a real good bang for the buck on this one here. One more thing, the prindle, the P, you know, where you see the selector here, where you see your gears. It's not lighting up. Pretty common in these trucks. You can do that. Those little things you can fix. What you cannot fix is a beat up truck, you know. Like, you got a beat up truck, it takes so much to fix. And you know, nowadays you gotta choose what kind of truck you want to get that's worth putting money into, if that makes sense to you. That's how I think when I'm buying. That's my my buying process. But then again, if you are interested in this truck or any of my other trucks, I specialize in Chevy and GMC 99-207 Classic. go to www.julianosgarage.com. Follow me on my Instagram at Juliano's Garage USA. Hit a like button there. You know, if you could subscribe to my channel, that would be great. Thank you very much for watching. Again, julianosgarage.com. Thank you again.